Hi guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girls Kitchen. If you are new, I'm Maggie, and welcome. Today we are going to be making what I call everything but the kitchen sink bake. Basically, this is my go-to when I need to clean out my fridge, and I'm using what I have in my fridge at home right now, but you can totally substitute what you have and add in whatever you want. So this is just like a veggie bake. I always use cabbage with this, and I always use potatoes. Those are two things that I always use, onions. But other than that, everything else I kind of just interchange what I have, what I don't have. Usually I always have cabbage on hand. That's like a staple in my household. The same thing with onions and potatoes. So those are always in there. But other than that, I've made it with different variations. The sauce that you make with this to put over, and as it bakes, it's just absolutely delicious. So I really hope you guys give it a try. If you do try a different variation of it, make sure you let me know down below so I get some great ideas. And I hope you guys enjoy. Bye.
Occasionally, I need to breathe. Stop me for a second, I got needs. Occasionally, I set them free. Don't hold me back now, I'm in the lead. This so bravely, steady steps on the ground. Hate me, but I ain't never coming down, never coming down. Cause lately, I've been dancing on my own so bravely. Another round on my mind. Hate me, but I ain't never coming down, never coming down. I'm never coming down, never coming down. I never built the wall to shut it all out, but now it's even made of concrete. This particle life, this particle life. What a time to be alive. Lately, I've been dancing on my own so bravely. Steady steps on the ground. Hate me, but I ain't never coming down, never coming down. Cause lately, I've been dancing on my own so bravely. Another round on my mind. Hate me, but I ain't never coming down, never coming down. I'm never coming down, never coming down. Cause I'm getting stronger. Cause I'm getting stronger. Lately, I've been dancing on my own so bravely. Steady steps on the ground. Hate me, but I